So hi guys. So for today's video is magse-set up tayo ng Active Directory on Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation using server core running inside the Oracle VirtualBox machine. So for this setup, di tayo gagamit ng GUI or the graphical user interface, but only the command line. So without further ado, let's start. So, ayun, dito muna tayo sa browser natin and we're going to search for Windows Server 2022 download. So, here we have the ISO download, VSC download, Azure, and create the VM in Azure. But for this video, we're going to click on the ISO download 64-bit edition. So, ito po siya. And click lang natin para ma-download natin. Then, and going to download. Okay, let's just wait for it. So pag-download, nasa 4.7 gig siya. So let's just wait. So na-download na natin yung server eval, yung server 2022 download. Ang next natin gagawin is open lang natin yung VirtualBox natin and let's click on new. Then sa VM name, let's just put a name, say server. And for the ISO images, i-locate lang natin yung din-download natin. So, open natin, then uncheck lang natin to. But, actually, kanina is nagawa ko na to. So, sa mga hindi pa nakagawa, i-click nyo lang yung finish. But for me, I will just click cancel. So, here, I have the server. So, ayan, i-start ko lang siya. So, here, dito ako na-stop kanina, which is naglo-loading lang siya, and it says here na press CTRL to unlock. Since and trinatry natin kanina sa trinatry natin yung pinutin yung Control Alt Delete sa keyboard natin, but for Oracle dito lang natin gagawin yan. So input keyboard, then insert Control Alt Delete. Okay, then lagyan tayo ng password. Tabs. Pipindutin natin yung tab para bumaba siya sa confirm password. So, type lang natin ulit yung password. Then, okay. Okay. Admin 3. So, ayan. Changing password. Okay. So, ayan. Nag-apply na yung user settings. Hintay lang natin siya. So, ayan. So, let's proceed with number 8. So, ayan, network settings. So, i-configure natin yung IP. Then, ayan, nandito na tayo sa network settings. Then, i-press lang natin yung 1. Enter. Ayan. Lagay lang uli natin yung 1. Then, set. Ipipindutin rin natin yung 1, which is yung set network adapter address. And S, and then for here we put 192.168.1.10. Then for the subnet mask is blank lang natin. Then for here 192.168.1.1. So enter, then enter to continue. So ayan. So babalik tayo sa number 8 since kailangan natin i-set up din yung DNS. Then let's just click 1 again. Here, dito na tayo sa DNS server. So here sa number 2 naman, so let's just put number 2 192.168.1.10. So dito nakadepende yung directory natin. Then let's just enter. Yan. So let's proceed to the next step, which is yung number 15 na pupunta tayo sa PowerShell. So type lang natin 15, Ayan, nandito na tayo sa PowerShell. So, yung natin PowerShell. Ayan. Install lang natin siya ng latest. So, here, itatype lang natin is install dash Windows Future AD dash domain dash services space then dash include management tools. So yan, so enter natin yan, so let's just wait. Oh, okay, so nagkamali ako for here. So again, install dash Windows Future AD dash domain. Dapat dito guys is services space then dash ulit include management tools. So enter lang natin ulit. Collecting data. Then nag-install siya guys. So ayan, hihintayin lang natin siya. So here, let's just click enter. Ayan. Then ang gagawin lang natin is install dash ads forest. Then for the domain name, lagyan na natin school.local. Then administrator password is password natin na 3 term 3. Okay. Then after that is type lang natin y. So ayan, install add forest. So hintay lang ulit natin guys. So ayan. So wait lang natin siya. So ayun, natapos na siya guys, and pinapasign out niya tayo sa parang mag-restart siya. So let's just click close. So and guys, config is loading. So here, exit lang natin guys, which is yung 15 para ma-verify natin kung na-install siya. And just type 15, then enter. So here, lagay lang natin get Windows Future space AD dash domain dash services. Then enter lang natin. Yan. So ayun guys, makikita nyo is ayan, successful din natin siyang na-install. Na-install na siya when it comes to the installed state and AD domain services. So ito guys, para makita lang natin yung domain draw info, ito type lang natin to s/ps get DC school dot system info slash p space slash c domain. Then ns lookup school.local. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo na the server or fully functional active server. Ayan. So that's it guys for the video. So I hope na may natutunan kayo guys. So that's all. Thank you and thank you.